Thanks for taking some time to check out the RoleModel Craftsmanship Academy. As part of RoleModel's culture, our foundation is on growing people and seeing them provide value for our customers. That starts for us with the Craftsmanship Academy. When participants come to us, our goal is to give them a solid foundation to launch their careers. We believe very much in the craftsmanship mindset. In the same way that you would see that with other trades, we believe it applies to the software discipline, that you need to learn hands-on in the field from those that are more experienced than you. And so we want to apply that to the way that we bring on new team members and grow the team that we have. And so we start that process with the foundation and immersion process that we call the Craftsmanship Academy. It begins with a cohort of participants going through that initial immersion and then phasing into apprenticeship that'll continue for years as we seek to grow each of these individuals into great contributors for our team. Take a moment to listen to what past participants have had to say about their experience with the Craftsmanship Academy.
I really liked how it was hands-on and collaborative versus other forms of education like colleges where they're just going to put you in a classroom and not really show you much attention on your own or let you do things hands-on.
When I started at the Software Craftsmanship Academy, I had a traditional college degree already in another subject, but starting at the Academy really offered me the ability to pick up the computer science skills I needed in an environment learning from active industry professionals.
The Academy is designed to train you to be job ready, and so as opposed to like traditional education, they're really training you to be ready to work on real world projects and real world examples and problems.
And where they just dive you right into coding and teach you and give you like real world like projects to work on as well. And I was like, that sounds awesome.
I'd say the emphasis on mentorship and just having people ahead of you who are willing to help you grow, and also having the opportunity to have people below me who I can help grow, which in turn helps me grow.
Working on an actual project, working with the other students together, with experts close by that I could talk to and ask questions, and guiding us as we went to help us hit all the right topics for things we actually need in the real world.
A big thing with the academy that I liked was you were learning from doing and applying the skills rather than reading a book on how to program or taking a class on it and just studying how to program without actually applying the skills and doing it.
Studying in the Software Craftsmanship Academy took my nascent technical skills, helped me build those, but more importantly gave me the perspective and roadmap to build software craftsmanship, not just to solve clever problems with software, but build the skills to contribute to sustainable, long-term, valuable solutions for a variety of business cases.
After I finished the academy, it's been about 1.5 years between finishing the academy and now being a developer one. So I'm totally excited. I feel super confident in the work I do each day.
Learning from doing is the best way.
As you've seen, the RoleModel Craftsmanship Academy is more than just a boot camp immersion, but a way to launch somebody's career into the field of software development. To recap, it's a way to get started without taking on a lot of debt in education, and learn hands-on from those further along in their careers to help you launch your career. If this has piqued your interest and you'd like to learn more, feel free to reach out to us or explore the website some more. And we're always looking for qualified candidates for the Academy. If you think that's you, I'd encourage you to apply and we can start that process with you today.